Hey everyone, it's your pal Reed here. Got a quick video we're going to do today. Some garden stuff. So this is the popcorn, okay? And there you go. I'm not getting a super good yield on it. The cobs are only about this big. And I don't have a ton of cobs per plant. Basically, I was wrong. Ended up planting too late. But we're getting some. Some's better than nothing. But next year, hopefully with getting all the land ready and hooked up and everything set, I'll be able to get a lot of stuff in early in the season, so I'll get a much better yield. But this is what the popcorn's coming in like. It's looking good. We'll show how it pops up and stuff like that and make some other things with it. You can see some pinkish purple corn muffins and cornbread. We'll get to that. So we're doing there. Let me show you some other garden stuff. Okay, here's the circle garden. With soybeans are dying back, I'm gonna get these plants cut out to finish drying. Not drying, drying. Get them done. They make quite a few soybeans per plant. So I'm gonna actually do some like roasted soybeans and toasted soybeans and stuff like that. I actually got too busy to get them in time to do edamame, which is the green soybeans. So, But down here, we have our purple top turnips. See that one? Look at the size of this one. If I can show it right, there you go. This thing is probably 6-7 pounds, maybe more. We'll see when we pull them out. They're going to be very large. I'm going to have plenty of turnips. And then I got to figure out how I actually cook these to make them tasty. Figured out. We got the beets working away in here. They still got to grow. They still got a ways to go. I was a little late on those, but we can overwinter beets and they will be very large in the early spring next year, which is fine. We have all the green beans here, and we've got tons of beans in here that I did not get in time and other stuff like that. So we're going to dry them and make dried beans out of them and other stuff, which is fine. We can make dried beans out of the beans. No problems, and I got plenty of seed for next year. And we got carrots in here growing away, so we'll have carrots to get overwintered and carrots to grab when we want. Then we have tons of tomatillos in here. We've been grabbing tomatillos and stuff. Now, if you're wondering why everything's bent over, we have had one heck of a windstorm lately. It's just crazy. So the plants are still trying to stand back up. Now I got some nice little peppers here that got some nice red ones I'll pick and stuff like that. I'm giving them to the chili heads. These are scorpions, I believe. I could be wrong on that. I think they're scorpions. But I've got all sorts of chili seeds and different types and things. And the chili heads will very much appreciate the bite. Now, we do have quite a few tomatillos, actually gobs and gobs of tomatillos everywhere. And I got to figure out what I want to do with them, how I want to eat them, because I've got tons of salsa to make otherwise. And as you can see, we got some tomatoes and some I got to grab. We got some good stuff there, some over there. This little area's work good. So I got to build several more that way, head up the hill, get stuff there, get stuff up there, so on and so forth. But that's what's going on. Last of the little garden stuff, I've got to build a couple more potato areas, get potatoes set for the winter, and get a couple other things wintered that I want to come in early in the spring. I got just enough time to do it, just got to get my button gear and get it all done. Just seems like we got a million things to do. And I still have tons and tons of dry tepary beads to pick. Tons of tepary beans. Oh boy. And I'll show you all those as we get them out, and you can see and laugh and go, geez, that's a lot of beans. And I'm going, yes, it's a lot of beans, but I like beans. So good for me. Well, take care, everyone. This is Reed out for now. Just a short vid. Bye.